In my Oversee with Scott Sun and Shay mixed result video, I told you that this particular camera was useless because I couldn't download the video to my phone. I figured out how to do it, so it's good. Let's get started. My apprentice, wink wink, if you know what I mean, got a new car for Christmas, and ever since then, I've been parking mine in the front. Very nice. So one night I come home just to check on the garage, make sure everything's okay. I look in the back and what do I find? The overhead door wide open. Man, I'm telling you, I lost my mind. I really did. So I look around, appears that everything is okay. No harm, no foul, right? Let's just hit the button, close the garage door, figure this out, move forward, and try to do better. That's what I think. I go on again. I'm looking for you-know-what, and it's not there. And that's when I realized somebody had to come in here and take my lawnmower. One of my neighbors has a security camera on his garage, and I asked if his camera picked up anything, and he said it didn't work, but he'd ask around. Another neighbor's camera caught the whole thing on tape. There was a lady, white hat, white boots, walking down the alley. Light comes on. It must have caught her attention. She realized the door was open. So what she does, she walks down the alley, all the way down, all the way down. She keeps going. When she makes it to the end of the alley, she goes in this building right here, okay? That building, she and another gentleman, they come out. The footage was grainy, so you couldn't really see their faces too good, but they both walk back down the alley toward my garage, okay? So the guy, he sees that the door is open. He goes in, okay? Something like a test run. He walks back out, gives the lady the signal to watch out. She's a little further down, so she wasn't that stupid. He puts his hood on, walks all the way in, grabs the lawnmower, and heads back out. There wasn't a pickup truck or anything waiting for him. No. No sense of urgency. He's been here before. Oh, yeah. So he takes it, walks toward the other end of the alley like he has a job to do. I ended up going to that apartment building. I knocked on some doors. One lady came out. I asked her about a woman with white boots, a white hat. I think the lady I talked to, I couldn't see her face too good because she had the screen door closed, but I think she was my number one suspect. Since that time, I installed a camera. This is actually the second camera. The first one didn't have cloud storage, so I took that one down and put this one up. Jury's still out on this one, but something is better than nothing. Some of you know I had the yard machines, my little red engine that could. I got the Brute because I wanted a lawnmower with a bag attached to it. Let me explain what was really stolen from me. I came to this Menards in search of a new lawnmower. I thought that the Brute gave me everything I was looking for. Came with a bag, all the features. Price was great. You guys know how I am about price. I didn't get the lawnmower on this particular day because I felt like the box was too big for my back seat. But while I was in the store looking around, I noticed a man and he resembled my father. And as I kept looking, I was like, that is him. This is a different Menards. This is the Menards that I usually go to. Anyway, once I realized it was him, I walked up to him. He didn't recognize me. We had the mask on, but once he realized it was me, it was like father and son all over again. We talked in the store for a while, talked in the parking lot. We hadn't talked in a couple years. You know how stubborn people are, and he was stubborn. I'm somewhat stubborn, I think. But it just grew from there, and next thing you know, we're on the phone all the time talking, laughing, joking about everything under the sun. You name it, politics, sports, for hours, to the early morning hours. And it was good to be able to catch up with him and just see him in a different light. My brother in 2021 got to telling me that, he was losing weight. And, my old man, he was one of those tough, strong, old school guys. And he was telling me, oh, my teeth are bothering me. I'm just not eating like I should. I didn't think nothing of it. Saw him in October of 2021, and he was very slim, slimmer than I have ever seen him in my life. And you guys know, a little while after that, my mom passed, and I was talking to him about that, and he was always trying to hide this. And he finally ended up in the hospital 2022, and when I went to go see him, it was like a wrecking ball hit me. Again, same year. Mother, father, and cancer it's horrible, it's terrible, and seeing your loved ones go through that is something I don't wish on anybody. Check on your folks, check on your people, and encourage them to go to the hospital. Miss my parents, love them. But that's what was stolen. That lawnmower was a symbol of me and my old man coming together right before he died. And had I not gone to that store to look for that particular lawnmower, I would have never, spent that time with him, at least over the phone. I had commitments that I had to take care of during that time, so I couldn't always go and see him. But I thought everything was okay, and it wasn't. And when I did, it was too late. Just don't make it too late, guys. Just encourage your folks to get the treatment and the help that they need. But I'm grateful for the time that I spent with them, grateful for all the teachings, the discipline, everything. But make sure that, you do spend that time, guys. Tomorrow isn't promised. But that's what was taken, a symbol of me and my old man coming together. And that's what I don't like. And I just want to share with you how I felt about everything that has transpired lately. And some of what I have to say isn't going to be received too well. Also, for the men out there, you are not weak because you need some help. Stop being a damn fool. You are not less of a man because you have ailments and you need to go to the hospital and see a doctor. Stop being a damn fool. You got families. You got people that love you, people that depend on you, people that want to see you around for a long time. If you sense something is wrong, go get the help that you need. Stop being a damn fool all the time. Go to the damn doctor. You watch these videos, I tell you, take care of your families, take care of your body. Look, your tombstone won't read, "This was a real man," because he knew he was dying and he said nothing about it. You will not get an award for that, man. But then again, on the other hand, I understand, because some of us, we go to the doctor, we go to the hospitals, they shame you. They make you feel guilty for going there seeking help. They make you feel wrong. So some of us would rather stay at home and die peacefully. That's what happened to my mother. My sister took her to the hospital. They treated her like she was subhuman. And it wasn't until they saw that fist growing out of her chest is when they realized she, was really telling the truth. Yeah, so I get it. I understand.